Okay. So this is just because I'm having trouble with Patreon, like I was saying. That should have been a good screen grab for you right there. And this is an HD, so I'm going to keep it short. That way you can screen grab them in HD at least. Or whatever it is, 2K, whatever. So yeah, these are open source. If you can't build these, take them to a welder. I promise you the welder knows. Even though it's one view, I didn't do top, front, side view to you because you're not going to get it. It's going to confuse you. But this is easy. That's the frame. That's my plates that I welded on with holes in it. And I didn't tap the holes until I was done, okay? Because that way you can tap through your tubing, drill through the tubing, tap through it. And that's the top. That's where I laid out all the holes. Okay, now that's for the 3-horse only. If you get a 10-horse, it's not going to be the same hole pattern, so you're going to have to change that. Just worry about your center lines. I forgot, that dimension is 14 inches right there. Sorry, that's 14. Do I have a pen? I don't have a pen on me. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Hold on. Gotta write that in there. Okay, 14 inches right there. Sorry about that. So 14. And yeah, should be good. Open source, so anybody can build it. You can change it. You're free to do whatever you want. All I ask is you share who gave it to you. That's it. And you can screen grab these, print them out. Yeah, I watermarked the shit out of everything because there's thieves. There's people crawling over YouTube loving to steal your shit. And then they make money. They make money reposting it or making fun of you. They make money doing it. So I'm waiting. I can't wait. You know how long I've been waiting to do this? I couldn't fucking wait to come out and do this on YouTube. But I had to be patient because otherwise what I wanted to do wasn't going to work. So, one more time. All right. It's a build it yourself party. BYOB, build it yourself party. I'm not building these. They're not for sale. I'm not for hire. All I do little things for people, but I'm not for hire. Don't hire me to build this because I won't do it. I'll tell you, go find someone that can do it because I gave you the prints and that's it. And the design and the idea. And I'll try to help you with the details, but I ain't doing it for you. Sorry, I'm busy already. I got enough on my plate.